How to change vibration on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change vibration on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. In appearing menu we need to click on option Ringtone. Now we should scroll up and tap on option Vibration at the top. Here you can choose different vibration as you wish. Also you can create a new one just by clicking on Create New Vibration. Now you can tap on the screen, hold and move your finger as you wish. When you are ready, just tap on Save at the top right corner. Then just write a name for a new vibration and again tap Save. And that's all. It was how to change vibration on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.